Hi guys, I'm Alex from Kupo Grip. So we've been doing grip business for like 20 years and starting from lighting stands, grip equipment. Now we're going to do some camera mounting stuff. And first, I'd like to introduce to you our new C stand. Our new C stand here. This is our CL series C stand. So the feature of this C stand is that it has quick release, and so it can be put it out really quickly. And another feature of this stand is that it also has sliding leg. Yeah. So it has sliding leg here. So this is quite revolutionary because usually with quick release you'll lose the sliding leg. So I'll put it back here. And the next thing I'm going to introduce to you is our new boom arm series. So we got the aluminum baby boom arm and also got a steel baby boom arm here. So the boom arm stand is the boom stand is a 2-in-1 stand. So it can be as a normal stand like this, but when you need it, you can use it as a boom arm. Yeah, so like this. And when you put it back, it'll be like a normal stand. And this way, here's a small pin out there, you press it. Yeah, here's a small pin. You press it, you move like this, it'll become a boom arm. And here's an adapter here. This is for like Light 2, T12, for the T12 standard. So most of the brands Light 2 can be mounted on this one. And the next thing is our Supervisor clamp. So this is our new Supervisor clamp. It features a 16mm stud, and you can pivot it in different angle. So it's quite fun. Okay, so that is our Supervisor stand. And the next part is you can see our accessories wall. Yeah, so at Kupo we actually have more than 2,000 products, and this is just a small part of it. You can explore all of the accessories you might need, and here you can see this is our suction cups. We recently upgraded our suction cups with a metal pump, so it will be more durable, and we also have all these kind of, adapters for mounting different stuff here. Yeah. Okay, so next, you can check out our Flex series. We have like bobbinettes, white bobbinettes, black bobbinettes, and we also have black denim for blocking lights. They also come with a set like this one, KT1824K. This is for the 18 plus 24 size of Flex, and they also come with the bag. They also come with 24 to 36 sizes. Yeah. And this is our camera mounting series, which is the new products we're trying to develop over these like 2 or 3 years. And as you can see, these are quite fun because we're trying to enable some creative camera shots here. So this one can like rotate like 360 degrees. Yeah. We're selling these 2 plates as a set, and with these 2 plates and these bearing parts, you can make like all sorts of different creative shots. This is just one example here. And this one, you can unlock it here, and you can lock it here. You can also do this kind of pivoting, panning, and with this camera adapter camera plates here, you can enable multiple angle shots. Yeah. And here is our image working station. Like either in a studio or an outdoor event, you're trying to put your like gimbals to rest. Like this one is for static cam, and maybe this one for DJI rolling. You can put it and adjust it, and also have a workstation here. Put your computer, your mouse, your keyboard here, and also have some tooling box here. And finally, This is also a classic stand of Kupo here. This is our kickstand series. So for kickstand, our kickstand can be clicked together in 4 ways, easy for transport. So here's a blue button here. You can press it. You press that blue button and you can take it off. So it will be a separate stand. And this stand is actually quite interesting because when you take it out, you can remove the central pole here. Here's a silver button here. You press it and you can remove the central pole. So you can use it at an additional boom stand or something. And to get it back, you just press it. It's very simple. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to click back the kickstand. So you can see this blue button here, and there's a hole for it. You can put it back and you will click. And we also come with these kickstand bags, so you can put your kickstand inside, easy for transport. And of course, our famous Apple Box series here. This is our touring Apple Box. You can put some tool inside, and we also have different size of Apple Box, brown color, and even have the cushion for the Apple Box here. Yeah, I think that is pretty much all.